And with that, the 2025 season comes to an end. Good night.
The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so out of the ordinary.